students. Now we will start the division of decimals, the chapter 3, division of decimals. So we have learned some rules. Just first rule was division by 10 or power of 10. Second rule was division by any whole number, and these two topics we have discussed in the class. Now the third point is division by any decimal number. So to do this, the rule is that the method, you can say, or the rule, what is the method to divide a decimal number by a decimal number. So the method is, first we will move the dot in divisor to the right side, to make it whole number. This is the first step. After this we will take one example, then it will clarify more. And the second step is that move the dot, this dot is decimal point, you can write, move the dot in dividing right side equal to place move in divisor. मीन्स सिंपल थिंग्स व्हाट, फर्स्ट हम जो डिवाइजर होगा उसके डेसिमल पॉइंट्स को राइट साइड मूव करेंगे जिससे कि वो होल नंबर बन जाए. जितना हम प्लेस राइट साइड मूव करेंगे डिवाइजर में, उतने ही प्लेस हम डेसिमल को डिवाइडेंट में भी मूव करेंगे. सो द एग्जांपल यू कैन टेक 2.56 divided by, suppose we can take 1.2, right? This is decimal number, this is decimal number, this is dividend, this is divisor, both are decimal number. So first thing we will do, this divisor is 1.2, we will change this into, you can do roughly also, this 1.2 is, just write it 12. To make it whole number, this should be here, this dot should be here, so it will be 12.0, means 12. How many place it moves? One place. So one place it is moving right side, so the same place it will move in the dividend also. So one place here and one place here, so it will become 25.6 divided by 12. Once again, just look that in divisor, first we will do in divisor, that move the dot point to the right side to make it whole number. So this is 1.2. if this dot will come here, if ये dot यदि यहाँ आ जाएगा, यहाँ पर आ जाएगा, तो ये 12 हो जाएगा. So it will become a whole number, so there is need of only movement of one place, so it is one place, so this will also move one place. Sorry. So this is 25.6 divided by 12. Now it is easy, 25.6 divided by 12. So it will be 12 to the 24. Now 12 2s are 24. This is 1. Now again the decimal will be here, so this decimal will come here. Simple division we will do, so this decimal will remove here. Now 6 will be copy. 12 1 ja 12. The 4 is remainder. You can do, if it will cut in your board, so you can do it easily. So this will become what? 2.1. So this is the method. One more example we will take. After that we will move to the next point. So you can note this method, 2 step. Just you can note easily by taking a screenshot. So one more example we are just taking here. 62.823, suppose 4 you can take. Now this is 15. Now if the question is what? The question is, this is divided by 1.5, or you can say 0.15. This is example. Now this is correct. This is decimal number, this is decimal number. Here 2 place, here 3 place. Now to divide this, first what we should do, that first change this divisor as a whole number. Now how many place it should be moved to right side? This is 1 place, 2 place. If this will be here, it will become 15. So this is 1 place and this is 2 place. How many place? This is 2 places. So the same places, this point also move. So 1 place and 2 place. So this will become 6282.4. 6282.4. This will become here. Now this is 15. Now easily we can do it. 15 4 ja 60. This is 2. No need to write 6 minus 6 this cross. No, just leave it. Now 8 will copy. 15 1 ja 15. This will be 13 remainder. Now again 2 copy. Now this will be 15 8 ja 120. Again 12. No need to write cross. This is decimal, so decimal will move here. 4. 15 8 ja 120. The 4 is remainder. This 4 is remainder. So this is the division. Note it. And after this topic we will move towards the next point, that will be the unit. Unit means kilogram, decagram, hectogram, that you have studied in the previous classes. We will study here how to convert one unit into another unit. First do it.